world. Had the Rockstar Xperience, you know.
Yeah, this is cute.
It is. For this to be like your first time trying it.
Yeah.
You do.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Rockstar Xperience channel. I'm Kasha and this is my girl Lakia. Say my girl. Okay. So today we are doing a shortcut quick weave, and please bear with me. Like, this is my first time, so don't eat me up in the comments. I think we going Jada way to inspired. Like, what you think? You think? Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, I'm gonna show y'all like our info pictures right here. And y'all tell me which one I should do. So leave it in the comments, okay? But we gonna catch up because I haven't talked to my girl in a while. So BRB, we going on B-roll. So here's the braid down. I made sure that I did 2 braids at the bottom to make sure it was flat where it's going to be laid, and then I also oiled her scalp. So I'm using my Got To Be gel, the black version, and I'm slicking back her edges and slicking up the nape of her neck. After she's all slicked up, I'm applying that black cap, cutting out her ears to make sure it lays flat at the base of her neck and at the at her temple and frontal lobe area. Then I'm spraying what Got To Be around her edges just to make sure I don't go past this line. So I'm using it like as a line of demarcation just to know like where I'm putting the protectant. Then I start applying the protectant all over her head. Once the protectant is all on and covered, I set her under the dryer for about 20 minutes. Then boom, we cut off the excess cap, making sure we get as close as possible to her hairline, because we don't want no hair that's all hanging down and stuff, y'all. And I'm using my good old Outrageous Terra box. I absolutely love this little box. We use the 1, 2, 3 box because I know they have 4, 5, 6, I believe, or 6, 7, 8, something like that. But I started with the 2 because I kind of wanted the nape of her neck to be long, like so I could do like some curly cues. You'll see at the end. Then I accidentally put that one in backwards, but it's okay, and you'll see why. So then I'm going in with the 1, and after I did 2 rows of the 2. So I'm going in with the 1 right now. And when I say 1, it probably stands for 1 inch if I'm like using my common sense. I'm sure that's probably what it stands for. But I'm using it all the way up. Then when I get past her occipital bone, or like right at it, I'm starting to use the tubes. Oh yeah, it's starting to look good. I see where we're going, because now we're starting to go in a circle and I can see the front, and the tubes is laying real nice on her forehead. for this top area, I started using the threes. So I'm just going like diagonal, in which, like, as if she kind of had a part, you know, because we want her hair to be going towards, I think that was her right. No, it was going towards her left. And so I'm kind of applying these tracks at the top diagonally. I hope you guys can really see it. I'm so excited because it's starting to look really good. Like, I can see the vision. Like, I see it, and we haven't even started cutting yet. Like, that's why this Terra box is literally the holy grail. So we go all the way up until we make a tight little circle. And y'all, I really learned this by watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos. That's why I'm like, I gotta pay it back. I gotta go ahead and make one for the girls, you know? So now I'm making my own closure. I'm taking like about 2 inches wide of weft, and then I'm rolling it tight together. I put the glue on it, then I rolled it tight together. After I roll it tight, I smash it with the hot flat iron, and then I open it up and smash it again. And boom, that's how you make a closure, baby. Then we're gonna apply glue in that small circle on her head, and then apply the piece that we just created. Now it's looking cute already. Look at her, like she feeling it. This is definitely her look. She need to be in short cuts all year long. Like, come on, girl. Now I'm going in with my razor, and I'm just getting it as close as possible, because I want this thing to look so natural. I feel like with these shortcuts, you just gotta have an eye for it. Like, I really can't explain it, because then I started picking up my thinning shears, and baby, I started getting busy because I wanted it flat. Like, and as you can see, we kind of just went for the near long 90s vibe. You know, we decided to save the Jada Waiter look for later, but all these shortcuts kind of give the 90s like vibe. I love them, y'all. I absolutely love them down. So I'm still just going and going and going in. Like, I am absolutely in love with this cut. If you love what you're seeing, if you like what you're seeing, if you want to see more, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification button, please. Also, give me a little bit of tips, or tell me if I did good or not. Like, talk to me in the comments, y'all. Talk to me. I love conversation. After we get the cut we think we want, or the cut your client want, or whatever the case might be, it is time to move down, okay? And this way you start getting your finger wave action, and if that's what you're doing, or you know, those curly cues on the side, if that's how you want it to shape, you know. So that's what we're doing here. And some people really wear it like this, honestly. I'm going to wrap my girl up and set her under the dryer for about another 20 minutes. And now that she's all dry, I'm going to comb her out and then apply a little bit of wax. After the wax, I apply some flexible hairspray. So now I'm going in with my small babyless curling iron or flat iron and just curling. Then I take my pencil curlers to do the shorter pieces. I'm kind of going random directions, honestly, because mind you, this is my first time. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying and using common sense, honestly. This is when that hair school education start coming in. You think it's common sense, but it's really some sense you learn at cosmetology school. Shout out to Paul Mitchell or Sonny, you know. Now I'm combing out the curls and like kind of just molding them around, fluffing them to where I feel fits best. Then I noticed that front was a little heavy, so I went in with my thinning shears. Honestly, I feel like cutting hair is like painting a painting. You are never done. You are never done. You always want to see something. Boom, there we have it. My girl is 90s fine and looking good. Like, yes. Hello. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in another video. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment. Okay? Bye.